Hello friends, welcome to DD Talk episode 2 where we update you with latest tech news around the world. So coming to the first news, Apple is going to launch a new iPad in 2021 and it is supposed to have a 5G network in it. So they are launching a 5G network in iPad. So basically you will be able to use this latest technology of 5G in the iPads which will be launching in 2021. Also they are also upgrading this iPad and it will be having a better technology from the previous iPads. So this will be a very good new feature for the people who want to use faster internet and 5G technology in the iPads. And as you know that uh, Apple was supposed to launch a new products in this year, but due to COVID-19, they are not able to launch new products in this year. So next year they would be launching this iPad, this 2021, and it is supposed to have 5G network. Let's see how does it come out. So now coming to the next news, Microsoft Teams targeting 49 user in one time. As you know, Microsoft have launched a new video conferencing application. The name of the software is Teams, and it is in competition with the already working software for video conferencing named Zoom. So basically, Zoom is having a feature of having 49 user at one time, but now Microsoft Team is also working so that it can target 49 users at one time for the video conferencing. Right now, they are able to target only 3 users one time. So it will be a very good feature because Zoom call has been come in news due to some reasons of security leaks, and many people have uninstalled and not used the software for their video conferencing because they were like leaking the news. This news was in the market for so much time. So the Microsoft Teams software have taken this advantage of this situation, and now also they are working to bring more user at one time, that is 49 user in competition with the Zoom software. So for sure it is good for all the users, so they have a new alternative. As somebody who don't want to use Zooms, so they can come to Microsoft Teams software. And also I know a lot of people are using Teams software right now and they are having a good experience with it. So let's see how does it come out. Next update we come from remove China app removed from Google Play. So there was a application on Google Play on Android platform where there was an app remove China apps. Now Google has removed these applications because these kind of application are against the user guidelines of the Google, and this app was made so that Chinese apps can be removed from the Play Store, but the Google has declined and removed these kind of application which violate their user guidelines and community guidelines. So let's see. There are so many apps right now which are targeting China. As you know, the COVID-19 situation is the spread is from the China, and there is a lot of negative news regarding China all over the world, that how it is working on to capture the market and you're making economy down of other countries. So that is the reason this app wasn't there in the Google Play, but now Google has removed. So now coming to the next news, Google accused of tracking incognito mode data. So as you know, whosoever using is Google Chrome. Google Chrome is basically somebody who wants Google don't track the information which is being browsed and save into Google Chrome. So Google Chrome have removed all those information. So now the problem is that Google is being accused for tracking all the incognito mode data, which is not good for for us as a user, because we as a user always want to use this feature so that nobody can track us. But somebody, if the Google is tracking all the information, that is not good for us as a user. So for sure, somebody whosoever have just accuse this, it's a good accusation at Google, because our privacy main concern, and if they do something like this, It is not good for our user experience. Now coming to the next news, Apple disabling all stolen phones. So we told you in the previous story that in the DD Tech Talks, if you watched it, I'll link in the iCard. You can just check this news. Apple now is now disabling all the stolen iPhones which was stolen from their stores, because due to the George Floyd that and the protests going on in USA, all the people have bombarded into the Apple stores and they have disabled, they have stolen all the phones, and now Apple is disabling all the phones which are stolen so that nobody can use it, and they are asking people who have stolen the phone that return the phones to them or the authorities. Okay, so these are the tech news right now with us. Hope you like this tech session. If you like the tech session with us, the Tech Talks, please subscribe to the channel. If you want to contact us on Instagram or DM us, you can just leave a message on Instagram. I will message you, or you have any query, you can just drop a message to you can message to Instagram. So hope you like this Tech Talk episode 2. If you like it, just please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share this video, and comment down which is the news which you like most, or is there any news which you want us to cover, or you want an elaborative video on that. We will make a video on that also. Let us suppose you want tutorial of Microsoft Teams software or anything like this, you can just send us a message. So hope you like the session, hope you like this episode. If you like, just please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.